Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, o magandang tanghali, o ano pang magandang gabi. O anumang oras yung napanood ang video ito, welcome sa ating YouTube channel. Matuto dapat sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa araw na ito ay ating pag-aralan ay elimination of arbitrary constant by differentiation. So, marami namang steps in how to eliminate arbitrary constant. But in this case, since we have to eliminate arbitrary constant by differentiation, these are the following steps. Number 1, beginning with the provided equation, which includes one or more arbitrary constant, often represented by C, A, B, and so forth. So, commonly, ganun po ang magiging representation niya. Number 2, about the independent variable, typically x, differentiate the equation as frequently as the number of arbitrary constant. So, kung mayroong isang arbitrary constant, ibig sabihin isang differentiation lang ang gagawin natin o i-differentiate natin once. Pero kung dalawa naman ang arbitrary constant, so ibig sabihin we have to differentiate it twice. So, ang pag-differentiate natin nakadepende sa number of arbitrary constant. Number 3, eliminate the constant algebraically using the differentiated equations and the original equations. Number 4, a differential equation devoid of arbitrary constant will be the end outcome. So, pag wala ng arbitrary constant, simplify na po natin yung equation, then that is our final answer. We have now an example 1. Y equals Cx plus 3C. In this case, ang ating arbitrary constant ay C. Okay? And ang C na ito, parehas lang sila. No? So, ibig sabihin, ang atin pong pag-differentiate nito ay isang bisis lang yung differentiation. Kasi ang constant natin ay the same na C. Okay? So, given y equals Cx plus 3C. So, ito yung solution natin. So, the derivative of y with respect to x is y prime is equals derivative of Cx ay C and the derivative of 3C ay 0. So, therefore, y prime equals C. Or, we can say C equals y prime. Okay? But since, ang C natin ay nandyan pa rin, yung constant natin, nandyan pa rin siya. So, ang target natin ay na-eliminate yung constant. Okay? So, gagawin natin, we have to go back to the original equation. Y equals Cx plus 3C. And then we have to substitute C equals Y prime. Alright? So, para ma-eliminate po natin si C. So, therefore, that is Y equals Y prime X plus 3Y prime. So, pinalit po natin yung Y prime doon sa C. And then, factor it. Y equals Y prime times X plus 3. So, pinactor out natin si Y prime and ganun po ang naging lumabas niya. Okay? So, pwede na rin naman yan. But then, we have to equate this into 0 para maging maganda yung equation natin. Ayan. So, ito po ang equating into 0. Ibig sabihin, the other side, itong y prime ay transpose natin doon sa may y. So, that is y minus y prime times x plus 3 equals 0. And that is our final answer. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating differential equation now is free from the arbitrary constant. So, wala na po siyang arbitrary constant. Example 2. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ito ay quadratic equation and we have to solve this. No? Mayroon tayo ditong tatlong arbitrary constants. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating maging solution ay aabot po tayo ng tatlong differentiation since may tatlo po tayong arbitrary constant. So, solution, so our given y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ang constant natin ay a, b, and c. So, first, we have to differentiate. Y prime is equal to 2ax. So, the derivative of ax squared ay 2ax plus the derivative of bx ay b plus derivative of c ay 0. So, we have to differentiate it again. So, y double prime or the derivative of y prime is y double prime is equal to 2a, okay, plus the derivative of b ay 0 na. So, may a pa tayo. So, we have to differentiate it again. So, that is y triple prime equals 0. So, that is our final answer. No? So, ibig sabihin, tatlong beses po tayo nag-conduct ng differentiation. Okay? So, yun po yung ating example 1 and example 2. Example 3. X to the fourth plus 2xy equals a. So, in this case, ang ating arbitrary constant ay isa. So, ang solution, x to the fourth plus 2xy equals a. Yun po yung given natin. So, ang ating arbitrary constant here is letter A. Okay? So, derivative of x to the fourth ay 4x cubed plus ang 2xy natin ay product rule. Yung 2 ang x and y. So, product rule. So, you have to conduct the product rule. So, we have to factor natin muna si 2. So, that is our constant 2. So, 2 times the product rule. So, x times the derivative of y is y prime plus y times the derivative of x is 1. Okay? Equals 0. So, the derivative of constant a is 0. Okay? We have to simplify this. So, 4x cubed plus, distribute natin ang 2xy prime plus 2y equals 0. Okay? Simplify pa natin. We have to multiply the equation by 1/2. Okay? So, magiging 2x cubed plus x. Yung y prime is equal to dy dx. So, convert natin into dy dx plus y equals 0. And then, we have to multiply both sides dx. No? So, ang mangyari po nito ay 2x cubed dx plus x dy plus y dx equals 0. Okay? Then, groupings natin, yung may dx, sasamahin natin. Yan, 2x cubed dx plus y dx plus x dy. Okay? Equals 0. And then, factor out dx. So, yun po ang ating maging final answer. The quantity of 2x cubed plus y dx plus x dy equals 0. So, that is our final answer for this example. Okay, example 4. Y equals 3c sub 1 minus c sub 2 e raised to 2x. Okay, so ang given ay y equals 3c sub 1 minus c sub 2 e raised to 2x. So in this case, dalawa ang ating arbitrary constant, c sub 1 and c sub 2. So ibig sabihin, dalawang beses po tayong mag-differentiate. Okay, so that is derivative of y. So that is y prime equals the derivative of 3c1 ay 0 minus the derivative of c sub 2 times e raised to 2x ay negative 2 c sub 2 e raised to 2x. Okay? So, nag-derivative tayo ng pangalawa. That is, the derivative of y prime is y double prime equals the derivative of 2c squared, c sub 2 times e raised to 2x ay naging negative 4 na. Negative 4 c sub 2 a raised to 2x. So, in this case, nakita po natin na nakadalawang derivative na tayo, pero mayroon pa tayong isang constant, no, the c sub 2. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon, para ma-eliminate po natin si c sub 2, gagamit po tayo ng system of linear equation, okay, which is ang y prime minus equals 0 minus 2 c sub 2 e raised to 2x ang ating maging equation 1. And then, ang y double prime equals negative 4 c sub 2 e raised to 2x ang siyang magiging equation 2. Okay? So, gamitin natin yung dalawang equation para matanggal natin si c sub 2. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, we have to multiply the first equation by negative 2 and then copy the second equation. Okay? Next, nung minomultiply na natin yung yung ating equation 1 na negative 2. So, ang magiging sagot natin ay negative 2y prime equals positive 4c sub 2 e raised to 2x. Okay? Tapos, copy the second equation. Okay? Tapos, gagamit tayo ng plus. Pa-plus po natin. So, ito, plus natin. And i-plus po natin dito. Okay? So, ang magiging mangyari dyan, ito. So, pag i-plus natin to, so that is y prime minus 2y prime, y double prime, sorry, y double prime minus 2y prime, okay, equals ito magiging 0. Okay, so that is our final answer. No? Example 5. X, y squared plus y cosine x equals c. So, in this case, mayroon tayong isang arbitrary constant which is c. Okay, but xy squared is a product rule and y cosine x is also a product rule. So, gagawin natin ganito. So, unahin natin si y squared. Okay, so x times the derivative of y squared, that is 2y, kaya ginawa natin 2xy, ito, naging derivative ng y squared ay 2y. Okay, so 2y times derivative of y ay dy dx. Plus y squared times derivative of x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Plus y times derivative of cosine ay negative sine. Plus cosine times derivative of y with respect to x. So, dy dx equals 0. Okay. Next, we have to multiply dx both sides of the equation. Okay. So, ang mangyari, distributan si dx. So, dito sa 2xy dy dx, magiging 2xy dy na lang. Tapos, ito, distribute natin dito. So, naging y squared dx minus y sin x dx, okay, plus cosine x dy. Okay, so pag i-distribute natin ito, equals 0. Rearrange natin, pagsamahin natin yung may dy at saka yung may dx. Okay, so you have now 2xy dy plus cosine x dy plus the y squared, okay, y squared dx, okay, minus sin y sin x dx equals 0. Tapos, factor it out. So, factor natin si dy dito, factor natin si dx dito. So, that is 2xy plus, or the quantity of 2xy plus cosine x dy. Okay? Plus, the quantity of y squared minus y sin x dx equals 0. But, pwede na to. Final answer natin, na-factor out na natin si dx and dy. But, meron pa tayong, ito, common y. Okay? So, pwede rin natin i-factor out yan. Okay? So, or, 2xy plus cosine x dy, the quantity of 2xy plus cosine x dy, plus y times the quantity of y minus sin x dx. Okay? So, equals 0. So, that is our final answer. This is your activity to answer. no? So try to answer this one um, sa notebook ninyo or sa papel, no? Um, and then pwede niyo i-compare yung sagot ninyo sa libro o sa iba pang ano, or you have to ask a guide with your friends or sa iba pang mga kakilala nyo na marunong mag solve din ng arbitrary constant. Okay, so maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. I hope you learned from this video, and please share and subscribe to our channel. So share nyo rin to sa mga kakilala nyo na may mathematics subject, especially the differential equation. Thank you very much. God bless po sa lahat.